In Colorado, the northern Front Range foothills including Estes Park and Nederland, the southern Front Range foothills including Idaho Springs and Evergreen, Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range in the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range and the Indian Peaks. High wind warning in effect from 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. What? West winds 35 to 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 80 miles per hour expected. Where? Rocky Mountain National Park and the Medicine Bow Range, the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks, the northern Front Range foothills, and the southern Front Range foothills. When? From 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time Sunday. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Areas of blowing snow will also produce slick and slushy road conditions and poor visibility in the more exposed locations. Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. The 1 p.m. up.